How to set and change thermals on Oxygen OS 10 builds for the Xiaomi Poco F1. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set and change thermals on Oxygen OS builds for the Poco F1. Do note that you of course need to be rooted using Magisk and need to have Magisk Manager installed. And no, there is no way of changing thermals without root access. Next up, we can go into settings and we'll go into about phone. So as you can see, I am running the Diwali build of Oxygen OS 10 on my Poco F1, and not all builds of Oxygen OS 10 for the Poco F1 support this feature of setting and changing your thermals. The builds which do support this feature are mentioned in the pinned comment on this video, so I do recommend that you read the pinned comment. Next up, you need a terminal emulator application, and I am going to use the terminal emulator application which is linked in the description of the video. However, you are free to use any terminal emulator application which you want to. First thing we have to do is give super user access to terminal emulator. So the command for that is su while you're at the command prompt, and then press the enter key. There it is, super user request. We are going to select grant. Next up, the first command is to check what are the current thermals on your device. So the command for that is thermals, then space, then you hyphen hyphen, and then type the command get. So thermals space hyphen hyphen get, press the enter key, and as you can see, my current thermals are set as stock. Now the different options of thermals can again be found in the pinned comment on this video, and we are going to next up set up a new thermal from the different available options, and we are going to go with the light option. So how do you set the thermal? Well, the command again is pretty simple. You're going to type thermals space hyphen hyphen set, and then you can type in space and use the first character of the available thermal options. So since we are going to set it to light and the first character for light is L, so we will type in L and then press the enter key, and there it is. You can see it was set successfully and the thermal engine was restarted as well. Next up, we can check what is our current thermal, and this time around it should be light. So we are again going to enter the same command, which is thermals space hyphen hyphen get, and once we've entered the command, press the enter key, and bam, there it is. You can see that the current thermals are set as light. Now in case you ever need more help about the command, all you need to do is type in thermals space hyphen hyphen help, and then you can press the enter key, and bam, there it is. You have the different help options for this command along with the available options. So as you can see, you have GNOS, stock, medium, and light, along with the description as to what all these options are going to do. And before we end the video, let us try changing a thermals to say the medium one. So the command will be thermals space hyphen hyphen set space and the first character of the thermal which you want to use, and in this case it is M, and then we are going to press the enter key. There it is, new thermals were set, restarting thermal engine, and now we can again check the thermals which we have right now. So thermals space hyphen hyphen get, and then press the enter key, and there it is. You can see the current thermals are set as medium. So there it is peeps, just a small video showing you how to change and set the thermals on Oxygen OS builds for the Poco F1. And do note, these builds are by OofGang, so all credits go to the developers. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.